This category is Consumer Solutions, Breakthrough Materials.
Soft PV takes home a bronze for Soltria. Artificial photovoltaic leaves generate power like photosynthesis of real trees to create microgrid power plants. The Silver Award goes to Dow for the Infinair PoE for washable, breathable, and recyclable 3D loop mattresses. Sustainable bedding that is durable, breathable, cool, and easy to wash. The Gold Award winner is Taiwan Textile Research Institute for wearable Starring Night, high stretchable conductive ink, washable and wearable reflective technology.
Our next category is Consumer Solutions, Home and Wellness.
The Bronze Award is presented to Levo Oil Infusion for Levolux. Automates the process of making herbal infused oils for at-home wellness. The winner of the silver is Nano and Advanced Materials Institute, Knox Belco Cosmetics for the Probiotics Revitalizing System, bringing extraordinary health benefits through skin microbiome balance. Lamplight Farms is awarded a gold for Tiki brand Bite Fighter LED string lights. Beautiful LED string lights with built-in effective mosquito protection.
Up next, Consumer Solutions, Smart Home Solutions.
The Bronze Award goes to Lockley for Vision, an all-in-one solution for homeowners, serving as the first line of defense in home security. A silver is presented to Marvin for the Awaken Skylight, the first automated smart skylight with supplemental LED lighting. The Gold Award goes to Huja Power Home Energy Storage System, providing homeowners with intelligent backup power and power management in a plug-and-play, easy-to-use home accessory.
Next up, Consumer Solutions, Sports and Recreation.
BRP is the silver winner for the Sea-Doo Switch, a modular pontoon boat for a whole new generation. Gold goes to Damon Motors for the Hypersport, a smart, safe, and powerful connected electric motorcycle.
And now, Consumer Solutions, Sustainability.
The silver goes to Card 79 for Sapura Home, a sustainable garbage disposal that reduces waste and blockages. The Gold Award is given to Ball Corporation for the Ball Aluminum Cup, a true sustainable alternative to single-use plastic cups.
The next category is Manufacturing, Logistics and Transportation, Automotive Technology.
Banff is awarded a bronze for the Autonomous Vehicle Tire Safety System. Smart tires that reduce autonomous vehicle accidents and fatalities. The Silver Award goes to NLX North America for the JuiceBox 40 with Juice Eco, a smart home charging station that helps EV drivers charge with 100% clean energy. Taking home the gold is Exro Technologies for the Coil Driver, a dynamic smart controller that replaces the standard controller of an electric motor.
Next up is Manufacturing, Logistics and Transportation, Supply Chain Solutions.
4D Mobile receives a bronze for XDIM Mobile, a box measurement system utilizing 3D camera technology on rugged tablets in warehousing and supply chain environments. The Silver Award is presented to Carrier for the Lynx digital solution. Lynx helps customers improve their supply chains with data-driven decisions. The gold winner is Taiwan Textile Research Institute for RFID yarn, a new method for data management and application.
The next category is manufacturing, logistics, and transportation, modernizations.
The Bronze Award goes to Floracraft for foam with PolyRenew, the first extruded polystyrene product for the craft and floral foam industry, made with post-consumer plastic. Gentle Energy's Factroid, which modernizes factories to Industry 4.0 standards to boost profits, wins a silver. Unspun is awarded gold for their 3D weaving machine, weaves yarn straight into garments for custom fit and durability.
We'd like to invite all the winners in these categories, both here and around the globe, to stand and be recognized. Please give them a big round of applause.
Thanks, Edison.